Fabtech's high-quality 3 to 4 inch lift kit for the Ford Bronco delivers increased off-road performance and extra clearance to run 35-inch tall tires. The factory Bronco arms are replaced with Fabtech's Uniball upper control arms, which give you additional wheel travel. Fabtech's upper control arms are constructed with the finest material, using 4130 chromoly steel tubing and high-quality 1-inch FK stainless steel Uniballs. The signature bronze look of the 17-4 stainless steel Uniball pin lets you know it has been heat treated. The Uniball pin fits directly into the factory ball joint taper without modifying the spindle. These super stout Bronco upper control arms are designed for performance and longevity in rugged off-road conditions, while providing a more positive on-road feel. For the ultimate suspension performance, Fabtech's Dirt Logic 2.5 Resi coilovers feature a stainless steel body for maximum corrosion resistance. These shocks have been extensively tested over thousands of miles in various on- and off-road terrain. The rear suspension receives adjustable lower link arms with Fabtech's legendary 5-ton joints that include a lifetime warranty against wearing out. These massive lower links are guaranteed to never bend. This system is perfect for those who want increased suspension performance with a mild lift. A great choice for daily drivers that want a clean look with the ability to hit the trails on the weekends.